The complete tensioner is made up of two parts, load cell and conversion kit. The conversion kit consists of a nut rotating socket, also called as NRD or NRS, a bridge, and a threaded insert. Also, a Tommy bar is included in this kit. The socket can be retained inside the bridge with the help of these grub screws. Hand tighten the grub screws to retain the socket inside the bridge housing. Check that the socket rotates freely inside the bridge body. The bridge can be connected to the load cell with the grub screws already included with the load cell. You can fix the position of the bridge with the load cell by hand tightening these grub screws fully down. However, to allow the bridge to rotate freely while still attached with the load cell, turn back the screws about half a turn. Threaded inserts go over the threads of bolt and have matching threads. In case of coated or galvanized bolts, oversized inserts can be requested as a special order. The Tommy bar is of suitable size to rotate the socket or the threaded insert as and when required.